Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Hyundai Genesis. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, grab your phone and ensure its Bluetooth is activated. We'll begin by navigating to the Setup menu on your Genesis's infotainment display. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and successful pairing process, so let's get started right away. Once you're in the Setup menu, look for the phone option and select it. From there, you'll want to choose Bluetooth to manage your connections. Next, select Add New Device to put your Genesis into pairing mode. Your car will then become discoverable by your phone, ready for the next step in establishing a wireless connection for calls and audio. Now, back on your phone, open your Bluetooth settings and search for available devices. You should see your Genesis appear in the list. Select it to initiate the connection. A pairing code will then display on both your phone and the car's screen. Carefully confirm that these codes match before proceeding. This ensures a secure and correct connection between your devices. After confirming the pairing code, your phone might ask you to grant certain permissions, such as access to contacts or messages. Accept these to enable full functionality. Congratulations! Your phone is now successfully connected to your Hyundai Genesis via Bluetooth. You can now enjoy hands-free calling, stream your favorite music, and utilize other connected features safely while driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.